Today I'm discussing about airline travel trips. I mostly often fly Southwest Airlines domestically, that is within the borders of the United States. This is the interior of Boeing 737 like Southwest uses exclusively in their fleet. If I am trying to read, I do not like specters of sunlight and shadow coming through the cabin windows onto my book. If we were flying from the east to west, I like to plan to sit on the north side of the airplane while it is in flight. That would be right side of the photo since Southwest has open seating. Step 1. Are we there yet? As you can see in this picture, most of my flights are only an hour or two in duration, but we recently had a 4-hour flight from Nashville, Tennessee and Las Vegas, Nevada. Pilots give me some procedures and frequently updates on the plane in the moment. Most do not. After a while, adults can be as curious as children to know where they are. Southwest Airlines gives small napkins with the snacks and beverages. The back of these napkins includes a nice map of the continental United States with cities served. Step 2. Draw a straight line between cities. Use the safety information card or the in-flight magazine for a straight tie and bridge to a draw line between the city where the flight begins and where it is opened and end. If your airline does not have a map on the napkins, you can photocopy a suitable map and bring it with you. Step 3. Fold. As you can see in this picture, bring the two cities together in a fold so they are exactly one over the other. Step 4. Sharp crease. As you can see in this picture, without distributing the overlapping of the cities, turn the napkin over and make me a very small sharp crease. Step 5. Midpoint mark. As you can see in this picture, open the napkin and make it a mark in the crease. This is where the plane should be halfway through the flight, or the flight should be last minutes less than 4 hours. There are a lot of recognizable landmarks in the plane and the Oklahoma, but 2 hours after the flight began, I had the rough idea of where we were. Step 6. Mark quarter-way indicators. I made fold I made a fold that put the midpoint mark to overlap the city of origin and made another crease. A mark is in the increase indicates where the plane should be after the first 4 hours nearly the fourth flight. Step 7. Fully marked. The napkin has been marked for each of the four flights of the flight. If I wanted to, I could guess to add marks midway between the quarter for flight marks. It works out neatly that we had 4-hour flight. Suppose it has been a 5-hour flight. Each mark would be represent 5 by 4 or 1.25 of the distance covered in 1 hour, and I could have converted the real time to be useful. That would be factorizing and factoring the difference in time zones between the city of origin and the city of destination. Step 8. What to do in 4 hours. Step 9. Keeping knees in control. Step 10. Using the time. Step 11. Directional confusion. As you can see in this picture. Step 12. Altitude changes, as you can see in this video. Step 13. Setting your watch accurately. As you can see in this video, often I travel with a digital watch because I can reset the hour without distributing and disturbing the minutes and seconds, but I really prefer my analog watch when I reset and different time zones in minutes and head often You may have more better tips for airline travel, but these have helped me a lot. And I am confused about the time zone we are in. And you may have more tips, better tips for airline travel, but these travel help me a lot. Thanks for watching this video.